For down dog, the arms are externally rotated and the forearms are rotated back again such that the fingers are facing the front. Come down on your knees. Extend your arms in the front. Put your forehead on the ground and come into child's pose. Make sure the elbows are not touching the ground. Keep extending forward. Spread out the fingers of both the palms and place the palms firmly on the ground. The feet are hips width apart. The arms are shoulder width apart, such that the wrists are right below the shoulders. Externally rotate the arms. Tuck your toes. Raise your hips up. Keep the knees bent. Make sure the head and the neck is in line with the spine. The head is neither towards the knees nor away. Keep extending the spine towards the ground. The knees can be bent. Once you have a good extension with the spine, you can try to see if you can straighten the legs and maybe get the heels towards the ground. Make sure there is no rounding of the spine. You can keep your knees bent, but make sure that the extension in the spine is maintained. Engage the core by pushing the navel up towards the spine. You're forming a triangle such that the shoulders are pushing towards the ground, the hips are pushing towards the sky. Keep broadening the shoulders. Neck and shoulder are relaxed. And you can release and gently come to the floor.